Hello, let's use this example to figure out how many units a competitive firm should produce to maximize its profit. Okay, so whenever you see maximize profits, know that we're talking about a quantity where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Now, they may not always equal, okay? So you want to produce up until the last unit where marginal revenue is still higher than marginal cost. Okay, so you could run into something where they don't equal exactly, just like in the real world. All right, so we've got this quantity, total revenue, total cost. We can use this to calculate marginal revenue and marginal cost. I'm just going to put a little column right here for marginal cost. And because this is a competitive firm, this means that the firm is a price taker. So you can actually already see what the marginal revenue is if you take a look at it. I'll stop talking for just a second, see if you can figure it out. Okay. And the total revenue seems to be increasing by 7, and that's because the price in this market is 7. Whenever there's a competitive market, the price is going to equal marginal revenue because everybody's going to sell at the same price, and so each unit will add to total revenue by whatever that price is. So in this case, it's 7. So I don't need to calculate all of these. They're all 7. I'll just make like a big 7 right there. All right, so I do need to calculate total cost. Okay, so I don't care about the marginal cost of the first unit because there's no such thing as a -1 widget. All right, so that one's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they're going to go right in order, aren't they? And 8. Okay. So I'm going to keep producing as long as marginal revenue is higher than marginal cost. So the first couple units, first unit, marginal revenue is 7, marginal cost is 2. I'm going to produce it. Marginal cost is 3, marginal revenue is 7. I'm going to produce it. 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 I break even at 6 in marginal terms. Okay, so that actually happens to be the answer here. In case it gives you a follow-up question and changes the price of the product, you could then, if it changed it to 8, we could easily do that. It's just going to be all 7 units. If it dropped the price down to 4, we'll just go down to quantity 3, but that's how to do that. And then you could figure out what the total profit is at that 6th unit. That would be 12. Okay, and the reason that this is profit maximizing is no other combination is going to give you as much profit. Looks to me like we're always making a profit in this, so it's when do we make the most profit. So we get that from this relationship right here.